Hey, how are you guys? Me and my cute little pink friend want to say hello. And today we're going to talk about gardening, planting flowers, and well, planting seeds and then getting some flowers from that. Won't that be fun? And when it's sunny outside, it's a real nice time to do that. So me and little Pinky, and this is going to be our color of the day, pink. So we just want to show you a few pink things really quick, okay? We have a pink scarf. And with this, you can do all sorts of fun things. But one really fun thing to do is to dance to music with it. Then I have some pink flowers. They're really pretty. And I have a pink apron that you'll wear when you're gardening. See the pink? Isn't that pretty? And you put this over your neck, and then you tie this around your waist, and it helps you stay clean when you're in the garden. And I thought this was such a pretty one that's pink. Now, the other thing I wanted to show you before we start reading our book is I have things that you work in the garden with. This is called a little shovel, and you dig dirt with it. And this is called a spade, and you can scrape the dirt with it. And then you can put a packet of seeds into the ground and the dirt. Yeah, dirt's fun to play in, and you can make mud out of it. You're right. You pour some water in, and guess what? I have some water, and I have a plant, and you take your little watering pot. They're so fun, and you fill it with water, and then you go like this. And you water your plant, and you watch it grow in the sunshine. And you can play in the water. Yeah, that's a fun thing to do too, because it is fun to play in the water. And sometimes just put it in the dirt and make mud puddles. That's really fun, or mud pies. Okay, so I am going to read you today the book that's called There Was an Old Lady Who Swallowed a Frog by Lucille, Colandro, and illustrated by Jared Lee. So this is our book today. And let's see what it says. You know what I think I might do before I start? I think I might put a flower in my hair, since we're learning about flowers and things like that today. So, what do you think? Okay, this is fun. There was an old lady who swallowed a frog. There was an old lady who swallowed a frog. I don't know why she swallowed a frog. She was in a fog. There was an old lady who swallowed some dirt. Here I have my frog, by the way. And I have dirt. She swallowed some dirt. It didn't hurt to swallow the dirt. She swallowed the dirt to hide the frog. I don't know why she swallowed a frog. She was in a fog. There was an old lady who swallowed some seeds. At high speeds, she swallowed the seeds. She swallowed the seeds to fill in the dirt. She swallowed the dirt to hide the frog. I don't know why she swallowed the frog. She was in a fog. There was an old lady who swallowed the rain. What did she gain by swallowing rain? She swallowed the rain to water the seeds. She swallowed the seeds to fill in the dirt. She swallowed the dirt to hide the frog. I don't know why she swallowed a frog. She was in a fog. There was an old lady who swallowed the sun. It was so fun, right? To swallow the sunlight. Here's our sunlight. She swallowed the sunlight to dry up the rain. She swallowed the rain to water the seeds. She swallowed the seeds to fill in the dirt. She swallowed the dirt to hide the frog. I don't know why she swallowed the frog. She was in a fog. There was an old lady who swallowed some gloves. Oh, how she loved to swallow her gloves. She swallowed her gloves to hold the sunlight. She swallowed the sunlight to dry up the rain. She swallowed the rain to water the seeds. She swallowed the seeds to fill in the dirt. She swallowed the dirt to hide the frog. I don't know why she swallowed the frog. She was in a fog. There was an old lady who swallowed a rake. It was a mistake to swallow that rake. She said, "Burp." So the old lady said, "Excuse me, I beg your pardon." And out spilled a colorful garden. Oh, happy spring. Wow, that old lady swallowed so many things. I can't believe it. And guess who I have with me today? I have the old lady. And she just wanted to swallow a few things for you today, right in front of you, and show you what she did in her book. So, we have our little board of the things that she did. And she was the old lady. And then she swallowed the frog. So, we're gonna find our frog, and guess what? She's gonna eat it. Hop, 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 ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Down into her mouth it goes. Bye-bye, frog. Then she swallowed the dirt. Here's some dirt from the garden. And she's gonna put it in her mouth. Dirt doesn't taste good. Okay, there it is. Then she swallowed some seeds. Okay, here is a packet of pink seeds. She's gonna swallow them. Yummy. No, not really. Then she swallowed the rain. I think I am just going to take off this little thing that says rain and put it in there. Then she swallowed the sunlight. I didn't have a sun, so I have a toy here that maybe some of you have played with, and we're going to pretend it's our sun because it's yellow. So she swallowed the sunlight. Then she swallowed her gloves. That's right. That would be hard, and you really can't swallow gloves. But it's all part of the fun in the story. So here's her gloves. Whoa, that really gives her a mouthful, doesn't it? Okay, in they go. Swallowing her gloves. Then she swallowed her rake. Here's a little rake. I think I'm gonna stick it in there. That's not a good idea. Remember what happened in the story? Yeah, you're right. She gave out that huge burp and then said, "Excuse me." But then what happened after all of that? Out came something amazing. Whoa, look at it. She had a beautiful garden made. Wow, thank you, old lady. That's quite a story. Wow. Okay, bye-bye. Thanks for the story today, and bye, beautiful flowers. The last thing we're gonna do is the letter Q. And it goes qua, 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 like a queen. She's beautiful, yeah. Or like a quail. This is a type of a bird, and he has a cute little thing on his head. A quail. Yeah, they're pretty. Or a quilt. And a quilt is something you put on your bed that maybe someone has made for you. And it has lots of little squares on it. Or the other thing is, which you'll learn in school someday, is a question mark. Question mark. All these things start with the letter Q. Can you say qua, qua? It's a hard one, but it's fun to do. Well, I'm really glad you joined me and Pinky today. It was a lot of fun reading that silly book with you. And maybe you can go out into your garden with your mom or dad or grandma or grandpa or whoever is taking care of you and plant some seeds. That would be fun. Thanks for joining me. And remember, if you think you'd like our videos, press like and maybe press subscribe. That way I'll know that people are watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.